Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a fun little macro that acts like a warning system. You can use this for all kinds of stuff, like if you're botting and let's say you get a legendary or some great item in your backpack, you can have your macro look for that and then give you a warning and say, hey, you got a good item. Or let's say you're going through dungeons and you're going to let it bot the whole dungeon for you, and when you get to the end, give you a warning and say, hey, done with the dungeon, so you can go back and reset it. Or I want to show you how to do one for the CAPTCHA. I've seen this on the Blue Eye Macro forums, so I'm going to make a video on how to set it up to recognize if the CAPTCHA comes up on the screen, and then give you a warning to let you know that it is on the screen. So let's go to create. I'm going to do this as a warning system, put it in the tutorials category, and then type begin. So like I said, I want this to give a warning. So the first thing I'm going to do is make an if statement. So if, and I'm going to use color.pixel pattern, and I'm not going to use the timed one. I'm just going to do if it can be located on the screen. Pixel pattern can be located on screen. Then I'm going to use the investigator tool. Open that up, take a screenshot. Let's move this out of the way. Oops. And I'll minimize the real one to show you investigator here. Alright, so now I just had to define the pixel pattern. I'm going to do blue, maroon, light maroon, blue, yellow, 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 yellow. And there were some double clicks in there, but it doesn't really affect it too much. And on this one, I'm just going to change the range to 10 and hit enter. So if that pixel pattern can be located on screen, which is going to be my CAPTCHA, I want it to, let's say, give me a verbal warning. So I'm going to use speech dot say, and you just have to type in what you wanted to say. So I'm going to type in warning, comma, warning. The commas don't really affect it, but I think they give it a little bit of space, like she kind of pauses when she talks. So warning, 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 and then the CAPTCHA is on the screen. And I want her to finish saying it because I want to show you how to do this so it says it multiple times. So end. That's pretty much all you need. I'm going to listen to it and see, well, I'm just going to throw some commas in there, and I think that'll kind of space out, give it a pause when she's in between the warning. So I'm going to put this on infinite for now so that she'll keep saying it. And I have the macro started. I'll restore it, and she should just come up and say, hey, it's on the screen.
Warning, warning, warning. The CAPTCHA is on the screen.
There you go.
Warning,
So
warning,
she's giving us the warning. It's going to keep
The CAPTCHA is on
looping.
the screen.
If I minimize
Warning,
it
warning,
and take it off the
warning.
screen, she
The
should
CAPTCHA
stop.
is on the screen.
So as you can see, the warning stopped because I minimized it. If I bring it back up,
Warning, warning,
you can see
warning.
it picks it up pretty
The
fast.
CAPTCHA is on the
She
screen.
starts saying that.
Warning, warning, warning.
So
The
one more
CAPTCHA
time.
is on the screen.
She stopped saying it because the CAPTCHA's not on the screen. I bring it back up.
Warning, warning,
And she
warning.
gives us the warning.
CAPTCHA is on the screen.
So that's pretty much how it works. You can do other things, like I've seen people on the forums, once it recognizes it, it gives you a warning, and then let's say you have a stopwatch or something, after a certain amount of time, just exit the game because you know the CAPTCHA's on there. But it's handy if you're in the other room, like you're just let your bot go, play for you, you go in the living room, watch some TV, and then it gives you a warning. So you just have to walk in there whenever you hear this, type in the CAPTCHA, and then keep on going. Of course, I did make some videos on how to solve the CAPTCHAs if you want to check those out. But there's other reasons why you can set up, this warning system, as I call it, it can be fun. You can do a lot of stuff with it. So, all right. Hope that helps. Have fun.